Okay, hello my friend. Ma friend. Lang, ma friend ah. Camera. Yes. Woo! Hello my friend. Ma friend. Okay, ma friend. Ito, maglalaro tayo ng pinakamaganda na hanap. Paborito ko, ma friend. Ma friends. Joke lang. Oh my god, ito Reo. Ito yung motion. Oh my god, ma friend. Yung motion, oh, ma friend. Paborito ko tong laro eh. Sana ma-post ko to sa YouTube. Okay. Ito, first map friend. Sorry. Na ano ko ba? Yan. So, first one map friend. Dito tayo sa slide. Understand the slide na. Pero, gosh. Goro. Ipawanda, sir. Gato. Ay. Holy cow. Ala, oh my god, ang sakit sa titi niyan. Topic level 20? Ngayon ko na nakita guys. Oh my god, grabe. Highway. Oh my god guys. Tignan mo yung mga motions pag nag-dragon ka. Dragon. Uy, uy. Sorry, mukhang tanga ako. Kala ko namatay. Di pa din. Okay guys. Ito yung ginagamit. Di pa ako handa, uy. Ito yung ginagamit ni Silimush na pag-record dati. Ngayon, PC. First time ko lang mag-ano eh. Paano ba tatanggal na yan? Tingnan nyo guys. Gusto nyo ano? Aray! Takbo. Bigla napunta tayo sa highway guys. Ayaw! Titingin pa siya. Ayaw! Sorry, bunge. Ito guys, ang gusto nyo, ito pinamaganda eh. Ay, naano ko ba? Okay na yan? Wala pa ka dyan. Ito yung ano? Pangat eh. Ito. Tingin ko guys. Uy, bilisan natin. Yun. Ano guys, tingin mo guys. Sorry guys, naka-over ko yung natin. Doon. Tignan mo. Doon ako. Ganyan. Wait, tungsten lang tayo. Ang gusto nangyari. Tingin guys ha. Hintayin nyo lang guys. Yung! Hindi tayo namatay! Hindi tayo namatay guys. No way. Ano yun? Oh! Di ba di tayo namamatay nun? Uy. Ayun na. Ito na lang. You nail. Uranus. Ito naman kasi dyan. Ayan guys. Okay lang. Takpan ko yung mukha ko. Okay lang guys. Matakpan ko yung ganito yung mukha ko. Okay lang. Kung hindi, like nyo. Hindi. Kung hindi, sabihin nyo lang sa comment. Sa susunod na video, gaganunin. Hindi na ako maggaganon. Gagawin to. Ngayon ko lang ito try. Nahirapan ako guys eh. Sorry. Yan na. Chopper? Helicopter? Oh. Alam mo, helicopter eh. Yes. Nakita nyo yun guys. Nanonood. Grabe naman eh. Nahirapan na nga yung isang tao maglakad. Nung Fire! Gahastog, ang layo! Ang layo guys! Oh my god! Paano tayo makapunta? Oh! Papunta na, mahulog na. Dito lang kasi, oh my god, no. Tingin lang. Pili nga pa. No way guys. Grabe, punta tayo dito. Bawal. Area. Tingin. Tingin tayo sa likod. Nangyari masama dito. Mahulog na tayo. Please subscribe to my channel. Hindi ko pa alam paano mag-edit. Malakad. Oh. Okay na yan guys. Uy, 18 lang. 18. Uy, mas mabilis pa yung ano ko dito. Grabe. Blackster. Mas mabilis pa yung Blackster ko. Bomba yun. By the way, kung sino nagsasabi, anong game po yan? Motion random. Yun lang alam ko. Hindi na, mahulog. Ayaw mahulog eh. Nag-iisip talaga eh. Pag-giging YouTuber na ako. Fire! Tuk. Binibidak. Pop. Dul. Uy, go. Iba, ibang laro naman, guys. Mga friend, ibang laro. Pwede, ha? Okay. Wala nang ibang laro eh. I-request nyo yung mga laro nyong gusto kong ilaro. Request nyo yung gusto nyong ilaro sa akin. May mod lang ako isa lang. Ito isa lang. People lang. Huh? What? Baka dito. Baka dito. Alam ko tao yun eh. Ito yun guys oh. Ayun oh guys. Ayan oh. Ito dito guys oh. People playground. Input yun oh. Okay na, okay na. Pwede na guys. Hindi pa eh. Kailangan alis pa ako dito. What? Nobody. Hindi lang may baril. Gusto ko talaga nuclear bomb. Ito ko yung lalang nagagay. Ito. Yan. Tingnan nyo guys. Tutan. Tutan. Bakit ganun? Ang ganda. Biglang gumanon na. Ganun na yung update. Ito. Dati ganito lang eh. Walang sound effects. What if may lumapit tayo? Parang Gorebox. Uy! Laro nga pala tayo Gorebox. Pangit yun eh. Gorebox. Wala ako sa Play Store eh. Kaya sa Hot Games na. Ayun o. Serious bro. Yaw talaga meron sandbox eh. Sa to. Yun lang. Pwede na yun? Gusto ko delete yung ano ko. Ayan. Yan. Yan guys. Yan. Okay na. Tapos pag meron pa rin ako. Ay lang pala yun. Nanonood muna tayo. TikTok.
Bring me good fortune today.
Bakla akım.
This means bring me good fortune.
So bakla Hindi to totoo. Hindi to totoo. Hindi to totoo.
Film
If you're
footage.
fucking happy, name motherfucking no club of motherfucking hands. We're talking Teletubbies, Tinky Winky, Dipsy. Wah, do 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 do, wah, do 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 do. Oh, when the saints go marching in. If you're fucking happy, name motherfucking no club of motherfucking hands. We're talking Teletubbies, Tinky Winky, Dipsy. Wah, do 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 do, wah, do 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 do. Oh, when the saints go marching
William
in.
Random.
If you're fucking happy, name motherfucking no club of motherfucking hands. We're talking Teletubbies, Tinky Winky, Dip.
Teletubbies, Tinky Winky.
We're talking Teletubbies, Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and motherfucking Po. We're talking Teletubbies, Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and motherfucking Po. We're talking Teletubbies, Tinky Winky.
Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies.
We're talking Teletubbies, Tinky Winky.
Ang galing. Hands.
Here's the original If You're Fucking Happy, name motherfucking no club of motherfucking hands video with no trimming. If you're fucking happy, if you're fucking happy, any motherfucking no club of motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy, any motherfucking no club of motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy, any motherfucking no, if you really motherfucking want a motherfucking show, and if you're motherfucking happy, any motherfucking no club of motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy, any motherfucking no club of motherfucking hands. We're talking Teletubbies, Tinky Winky, Dipsy. Wah, do 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 do, wah, do 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 do.
La di 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 di.
Wah, do 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 do, 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 wah, do 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 do. Wah, wah.
Taking a chance, cause I like you a lot. Don't give it a shot. Give it a
La di di dingy dingy. Ganun yun eh. Alam ko, bakit alam ko yun? Bakit alam ko yun? Tinky Winky.
Oh, when the saints go marching. We're talking Teletubbies, Tinky Winky.
Ano meron sa August 1?
In my last video, I made fun of the 737 airliner, and I just wanted to say that I didn't mean it, and it's actually a great and very safe plane. And I'm actually going to start a whole new airline from scratch using the 737. In Airlines Manager, you too can become the CEO of your very own airline, where you have full control over every aspect. From a choice of over 130 different aircraft, 2,700 real-life airports, even down to smaller details like your crew, marketing, expenses, and more.
Let's go gambling! Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it! All time? Come on. Magic Johnson. I remember when he played back in the day. Oh yeah. Moses Malone is always going at 3. This might be coded. Bam Adebayo. Nah, sure. Will the Stilt. He's going at 1. He's gotta go at 1. Absolute legend. Henri Bernard. Oh my god. Dude, this is insane. Bobby Jones? Bro. Wait, that's not Gary Payton. Put him at 9, I guess. Vince. Air Canada. Ballad.
Sayang yung kung number.
I
guess we could put him in here. I'm just gonna skip him, honestly. I don't know. Bill won. Valid. Like that a lot. Nah, we could put someone better at 8. Guy's a bum. Chris Bosh, I like that.
Pwede nyo ako i-ano dito, follow. Ito ang ano ko. Ay, may nagano sa akin, follow ka agad. Ay. Ayan yung mga followers ko. Pwede nyo ako support. Wala akong magawa dito.
Why do men not get it?
I don't get what you want.
Ito yung ano ko. Yung... Ito yung... Ano ko? Dragon Ball Z test. Yan. Goku 95. 95 Frieza. Puti Piccolo. You're tied between multiple characters. 118, 30. Goku tsaka Frieza. Frieza! Kaya tingnan na natin. Wala pa din? What? May 3? Ah. Diba kanina pa to? Higa lang ako, guys. Ito, sakit na pa ako, guys. Sorry. Wala nang magawa, guys. Wala yan, guys.
Why do men not get it?
I don't get what you want.
I want a plate that looks like a bowl.
So like this?
That's a bowl.
Then this?
That's a plate.
Plate ball.
How about this?
It's the non-existence of my happiness and will to live my life full of endless pain and suffering. If you don't find that dish, I want a plate that looks like a bowl. Why do
Huh?
men not get it?
I don't get what you want.
I want a plate that looks like a bowl.
Bowl cut?
You know that sound that says, we're all just women that want plates that look like bowls, that look like plates? Well, I posted my dinnerware set to that sound, and a few people wanted to know where I got them from. Mine are the Robert Gordon platform set, but I didn't buy them directly from Robert Gordon because you can find them cheaper.
When I need to rest, she's my ride or die. When I'm out of faith, she's my idol. I just killed a man, she's my When I need to rest, she's my ride or die. When I'm out of faith, she's my idol. I just killed a man, she's my
Who did the best plating? Sous chef. Waitress.
Ito. Titiin mo. Ito yung plate. Ito yung plate. Ito. Tapos. Okay.
Manager. Bartender.
Pwede yan.
Who
Pwede.
did the best plating? Dad fixes her problem.
I took the cutest chip and dip bowl and turned it into a pot sticker dipper bowl, but everyone kept commenting that the crack was super unsanitary and would get moldy and dangerous, and yes, you're right, I'm so sorry. So I decided to make a brand new pot sticker dipper plate, except this time I made sure to compress the bottom extra well to avoid cracking again. Then I made a little bowl in the center and dried it off with a heat gun before slicing it off. The next day I came back to trim the edges up, and it is so satisfying when the scraps turn into a nice ribbon. Then I carved this swirly pattern inside so I can grate my garlic on it, and she's currently firing right now, so make sure to follow for the big reveal. Goodbye. I threw the cute.
Okay. Hey yo! Hey yo! Ano yan? Ano yan?
I'll have plate
Hey
food
yo!
for other versus how I plate food for myself.
Okay?
Your plate.
Gutom ako.
My plate. How I plate food for
Sorry for YouTube. Wala lang yan YouTube. Ano lang. Ganito lang yung YouTube. Ganito. Ito. Count mo pa. Pag ganito. Ito. Tignan nyo. Pag ganito. Tapos ito. Tapos ito. Nakataas lang. Ito. Ano lang yan. 2. 2 lang oh. Ganyan lang yan. Ganyan kasi oh. Oh. Hindi ako nagbabad finger. Ganyan yun oh. Ganyan lang kasi guys. Hindi niya pinakita ang mga finger niya. Okay? YouTube. No? Ito ulit.
I was today years old when I found this out.
Ano?
The cake platter turns into a bowl.
Okay, I just got some new home decor. I'm gonna hang these on my wall. But I want to make it look like there's milk and giant Fruit Loops.
Ano? Come to me and you'll see the world of
Inside the spoon.
imagination.
And then I want to put jam on the end of the knife. But my sister says to keep them clean. What do I do? Okay,
Paint them! What the freak are you doing in your life, bro?
I have a big spoon, and I made some Fruit Loops in there.
There.
In the spoon. I have a big spoon, and I made some Fruit Loops in there. In the spoon. I have a big spoon, and I made some Fruit Loops in there. In the spoon. I
Wala pa din putik naman yun. Haris. Kailangan talaga guys. Hintayin na lang natin guys. Sorry, ano na. 28 minutes. Sorry guys. Ting na sugat ko guys. Oh. Sorry. Sorry YouTube kung bawal yun. Huwag mo i-ban. Gusto ko na magka-YouTube. Gusto ko yung ano mo. Yung silver play button. Brown. May brown ano ba? Gusto ko yun. Yung 100 lang nga tayo. 100k. Malapit na guys. Kuha lang ako guys ng ano. Gusto ko kayo. Yan. So, hintayin nyo lang. Ano to guys? Ano to guys? Ano to guys? Hindi ako nag-filter ah. Oh. Casting para may giant line ako. Uy, open na pala. Naglolo ko pa ako. Ito ang ginagawa ko. Para yung pressure tumataas dito. Di mo pwede na lang. Sana makita mo to, Selimus. Alam ko na may sasabihin ko sa akin. Selimus, sana makita mo to. Selimus. May sasabihin ako sa'yo. Paborito ko itang YouTuber. Pakita, long hair pa. Long hair ka. Long microphone. Para Yan pa. So, sorry guys Saan? Okay.
What's up?
Oh shit, nigger. Any last words? Ay, hindi ko nasalita siya ng last words niya. Sorry. City Win. Do. Ano mo ako ah? Oh. Hindi ka takot? Good luck kasi ka. Hindi ka kasi takot? Ay, gag. Hindi pa ako patay. Ano? Kala ko guys, sorry guys. Ew. Lah. Tara, tulungan natin siya bumaba. Lumabas yung tae. Eh, soccer ball lang yan po. Soccer ball lang yan. Ball. Bawal ba yung gore dito? Sa YouTube? Sana pwede. Kung bawal. YouTube, kung bawal, huwag nyo ko i-report. Huwag nyo ko i-report. Sabi ko lang sa inyo. Sana, huwag nyo nang i-report nyo sa yung YouTube channel ko. Sorry. First time ko lang dito. First time ko lang mag-video dito ng ganitong nagre-record. Lagi akong search. Please na. Hindi ko pa alam ano yung mga gagawin ko dito tsaka yung mga rules. YouTube, turuan mo ako, please. Bye! Hey, you are singing dog.
Look, I surrender, okay?
Bro! Hell, bro! Ito may El Patron. El Patron. Dapat ganun, diba? Tapos reload. Ano ko yun eh? CSGO player ako. Ay, ganun pala eh. Mamatay na lang tayo sa labas. Joke lang naman yun. Ano ako? Hindi naman nangyayari. Okay ba yun? Ay! Sama pa ako. Ay! No! Kotse ko yan! You serious, bro? Hindi tayo mamamatay dito. Ay, hindi na tayo mamamatay. Yan. Ay, ganun lang din pala. Papap doon. Pangat ah. Wala akong magawa, guys. Wala akong magawa. Sorry, guys. I-end ko na to, guys, ah. Okay. Mga friend. Bye-bye, my friend. Bye, my friends. Bye-bye, end ko na to. Ano, mga bukas, update. Magano ako. Update nyo ako, ah.